Hi, today on C5 Basics, let's take a look at how to insert HTML code into your site and why it will be handy or useful. To begin, let's go to Edit Mode and add a block for an example. Now Concrete5 actually has a block specifically for adding HTML code. Here's some code that I copied. It's very easy. However, in just viewing how it is here, to tell you the truth, it's a bit of gibberish for most people. But once we add it, you'll notice that code has now created a clickable button so that my clients can call me. Now the limitations of using the HTML block is that's all you can put in there is HTML code. So let's take a look at another option. Let's add a content block. Now in a content block, if we add it, we get the code displayed, not the end object. So let's redo it. The problem is that I entered the code in the content area. What I should have done is gone up to my dash and selected HTML source. From this point, I can insert the code, and there we go. Inside my content box, I now am displaying the button that was created, and I can add additional text. Call us anytime. That's a little small. There we go. And let's save that. As you can see, the first example shows click to call but nothing else. The second example, using a content block, allows us to add additional text. These are very handy methods of inserting HTML, and again, each one has its place. So let's remove these. And discuss another reason why you would like to use HTML. For instance, if I were wanting to recreate a block, this one for instance, and I selected all the content, copied it, and tried to recreate it as an additional block. I'll paste that content, and now that I've copied the content, you'll be able to see there's some significant differences. Take a look at the text to the right of the image, for instance. That's changed rather dramatically. We've lost some important formatting in just copy and pasting. So the better way to do this would be to open up the block in HTML, select the code, all of it, to copy, and now in creating a new block, we'll also go to HTML, and let's paste in the correct code. Now, as you can see, the original and the copy are identical. Being able to utilize the HTML access of your content block will make more accurate edits, copies, and more functionality when you're pasting in new features. It's a handy tool. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Adrian, your Concrete5 Community Liaison with Arvixe Web Hosting. If you have any recommendations or suggestions on new topics or questions on this one, feel free to contact me at adrian.arvixe.com.